Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are doing a DIY project. Just keep on watching to see how we do it. But before we get started, I have to show you the most cutest kitten in the world. Hi, Cookie. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, she's adorable. And the second cutest cat, right here, hiding. Okay, so as you all know, we put our Christmas tree up for Christmas, and we originally had a tree skirt around the tree. But you know, things happen sometimes, and we decided to switch it up. So Alan had decided that he wanted the base of the tree to be like in a crate or whatever. So we went all over today. We went to Walmart, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and the at-home store, and we couldn't find anything that would fit perfectly with our tree. So while walking around Michael's, I come up with a great idea. I had remembered that I had like a white birch wood wrapping paper at home that we had got for Alan's birthday presents. And I said, we have lots of cardboard boxes laying around the apartment, always from like moving and stuff. So yeah, I come up with the idea that we could just wrap the box with the wrapping paper and make our own box that would fit perfectly under the tree. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, and we're gonna show you the process. So this is the box that we decided to go with. We actually had one that the base of the tree just fit perfectly in, so this is what we're gonna be working with today. And this is the paper. Okay, so we had to go ahead and take our tree out of the box so that we could wrap it. So, what Alan did to save paper so we weren't wasting it, because I was about to wrap this up like a Christmas present, we just kind of measured the paper on the box and then cut a little slit where it needed to be cut. And now we have 4 different pieces of the paper here, and we're going to tape it on our box. So now we're just taking some tape, and we are taping this paper right on there, honey. Kiki and Cookie thinks we're making a special box for them. They better learn real quick. Kiki and Cookie is. Bad Cookie, we can't do this DIY box with you inside the box. Don't you know that? It's not for you. So as you can see here, it's pretty simple. We're just lining up the paper that we cut to go along with the edges and sides of the box. So this is the particular look we were going for, kind of to match our decor and just because we like these colors and stuff. But you could do this with any color or style or wrapping paper that you personally would like. So we've actually done all of the sides except this one last side, and we're getting to it now. And then we'll show you the finished product. All right, so we just finished making our birchwood crate out of a box and wrapping paper. Look how cute it is. So now we're going to put our tree inside. Aw, look what we got. A birchwood crate of kittens. Hi. We got it for Christmas. All right, so we just put the tree inside of our birchwood crate. And this is what it ended up looking like. Don't pay attention to the mess. I just need to pick all that up.
Effective DIY, if I do say so myself.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, you can do this with any design wrapping paper you want for any effect or look that you're going for.
So anyways, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.